So guys, first welcome to my channel and come to this website gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download and driver. You can check your motherboard warranty and all. Then you can see here search button and paste your type your model number which is required the driver B850M Eagle Wi-Fi 6E ICE and then hit enter. Then click to product. Then click on the title which is model number. Then click to support. Then guys, select your operating system which is you using. If you have Windows 10, no worry about that. You can see this video and follow the installation process almost same, almost 100% same. So Bluetooth driver, you can see here this is Bluetooth 8852 and click to download. And just open and double click to exe. Then click to yes. Close it.